Welcome to the kingdom. Today I'm going to teach you how to make $200 to $1,000 per day in the stock market. It just opened, this candle right here. We can look at a 1 minute. Look at that push up. This is the Dow. And we're going to start this. Oh, I got in way too late. That's the Dow. This is the NASDAQ. Let's see what we can do here. I'm hoping this pops back up, but as you can see, it hit my line exactly. The NASDAQ, I'm hoping this falls to my line on the downside of the 250s. Here, we can take 30 bucks to get started. That was 50. I should have took the 50 off of that. I'm going to take that 50. $77. I just took that. Let's see if we can find another 120 to make. This is the NASDAQ. I'm looking for this to fall down. This looks like it wants to go back up. You let this thing fall a little bit. This is the NASDAQ. I'm buying it. 5 contracts. It's 265. We want it to go down to the 250s. Yeah, it doesn't look like, I think that was it. We didn't get it to touch. I did say that was going back up. I might just buy this. I sold it. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. See if we can make another 25 or so. If we get back up to this, then I guess we missed that. All right, we're at 77. If I can get this thing up here a little more, next candle. Okay, it looks like the next candle popped and it's heading down. The market's only up 3 points. So we're pretty flat on the market. We're just looking for our setup. And I'm going to buy more. Looks like it wants to stay above the VWAP. See, it's not doing nothing. The market is flat right now. I might just pull out whatever I can. So right now the market's not moving. So we're just going to try to scalp this, pull out whatever we can. We're up $77 right now. Let's see if we can get $23. I'll pull out 23 so we can get an actual $100 on the day. We were at 20. Let's see if it can go. All right, come on, $23. The large percentage of people out there don't even make $23 an hour at their job. So let's see if there it is. Let me get up out of there. There we go, 32. We got that at 32. So we're up 110. Market's up 40 points. NASDAQ is down 11. No movement. Maybe the 10 o'clock hour, something will come in. But you just made $110 in 8 minutes. Not bad. You definitely don't make $100 an hour at your job. And I guarantee you, you're not making $110 in 8 minutes on your job. So this is how we do it in the kingdom. We shoot for $200 to $1,000 a day. We have no problem taking $100 a day out of the market. We could wait till 10 o'clock and try to get the setup at 10 o'clock set up to add another 100. But I don't sit here and stream all day. I do own a business and I have other things to do. Market is not moving. Dow's trying to pop up. There's our next candle. Let's see what we got. See, this here is forming a base. All that right in there. And now it's dropping. I'm hoping it drops down to my level. But this whole area here is a base. I might stay in this to see what we can do. Definitely looks like it wants to pop. Wow. It's pushing down. Let's see. I think I'm done for right now. All right, looks like it's falling. Let's see if it can hit the level. There we go. This is the NASDAQ. Yeah, I bought right at the line. Okay, it could fall to the 150s. Okay, if it breaks over that, we're in. We're in the money if it breaks over that. If it breaks over the 53s, if it breaks over that 53 there, we're good. $117, $117, roughly $225, and we are definitely done for the day. 15 minutes made our $200 for the day. That's how we do it. Violate your level, buy. This is kingdom, and this is kingdom business. This is how we make money. We do this for the kingdom. We do this so that we can be a blessing to those that God puts in our path. And if you're watching this and God put you here, it's my obligation and my duty to help you make money. You don't want to be a broke believer. It's not God's will. So if you like this, if you want to make 200, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and be a part of this. Until next time, I need you to get out there and create a kingdom business.